Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting by deciding how you'll run Chrome on a separate computer or phone and send the screen to the switch's display. Once done, connect that source device and the switch to the same local network so latency stays low. Make sure Chrome on the source is updated and signed into your accounts, and plug in a keyboard or controller if you want typed input. These steps get you into the practical streaming setup without attempting unsupported system changes. Now you'll configure the actual screen feed. If using HDMI capture, connect PC HDMI out through the capture device to the switch dock's available input on your TV. If using local screen share software or remote desktop, start the Chrome session and enable tab or desktop sharing, selecting 720p 1080p for smooth play. Once the feed is live, check audio routing and keyboard input. Make sure your router assigns stable bandwidth. If lag appears, lower resolution or close background apps to improve responsiveness. Finish by testing interactions. Type into Chrome, load pages, and confirm video and audio sync. Once you're satisfied, save the configuration and prevent sleep on both devices so the session stays active. If something goes wrong, try one key troubleshooting step first. Reduce stream resolution and switch to a wired connection to eliminate Wi-Fi inconsistencies. This usually resolves stutter and input lag. If that doesn't help, restart the router and source device, then re-establish the share to clear transient network issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.